Hazrat Abu Hurairah radiyallahu anhu states that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam on the day of Khaybar said, "Tomorrow I will hand the standard over to him who loves Allah Jalla Jalaluhu and His Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and Allah Jalla Jalaluhu will confer victory at his hand." Hazrat Umar bin Khattab radiyallahu anhu said, "I never ever craved for leadership besides that day. I then came before him with this anticipation that he would summon me for it." Hazrat Abu Hurairah radiyallahu anhu said, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam then summoned Hazrat Ali bin Abi Talib and granted him the standard, saying, "Go and don't look around until Allah Jalla Jalaluhu may grant you the victory." Hazrat Ali radiyallahu anhu covered some distance, halted, did not look around, and then said aloud, "O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, on which base should I fight the war?" He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "You should fight against them until they testify that there is no worthy of worship save Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, and Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is Allah's apostle. And when they testify it, they have secured their lives and property from you, except when anyone has claim on them, and their reckoning is with Allah Jalla Jalaluhu." Sahih Muslim Hadees number 6172.